All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, all kinds of information on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Litecoin. Litecoin is definitely going up right now. It's up about 9% in the last 7 days. We're going to feature it a little bit. We're going to go to some charts. We're going to dig into it. What is Litecoin? We all hear about Bitcoin. Well, what is Litecoin? Some people say Litecoin is like the silver and Bitcoin's like the gold. I don't know if you ever heard that. Do me a favor, put your information in down at the bottom if you heard that before. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. One of our visions is to help every single person on the planet learn about cryptocurrency. Litecoin is one of those coins, just like Bitcoin Cash, that's going to be here forever pretty much. Bitcoin is big. Litecoin is big. Let's go ahead and dig into some Litecoin. So over here at Coin Market, Litecoin is the 15th best cryptocurrency on the planet. It's being traded at $189 a coin. It's actually up 9% in the last 7 days. And in the last 24 hours, it's up about 2%. So Litecoin, again, number 15th best cryptocurrency on the planet, up 2%. What does it say about this? So the circulation of Litecoin is at 82%. So there's only 18% circulation left. It's got a market cap over here of 13 billion. Let's go ahead and check out the holders on the Litecoin. We did this with the AMP token. We did this with Shiba Inu. We did this also with Dogecoin. We know Shiba Inu had 700,000 people that own the coin, that have an address. How many people own the Litecoin? Take a look here. That's right, 4.3 million. So again, 4.3 million holders of the Litecoin. How many holders of the Litecoin was there in July? 3.8. So July 23rd, there was 3.8. Since then, July, August, September, October, almost 3 months, 3.8 to 4.3, over 500,000 more holders of the Litecoin. You know, what is Litecoin? Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost payments by leveraging the unique properties of the blockchain. The blockchain. Okay, now the next thing on that is, let's do a little deep dive of Litecoin. The cryptocurrency was created based on Bitcoin protocol, but a difference in terms of the hashing algorithm used, the hard cap, the block transaction times, and a few other factors. Litecoin has a block time of 2.5 minutes and extremely low transaction fees, making it very suitable for microtransactions and point-of-sale payments. Litecoin was released via an open source client October 7th of 2011. So October 1st of 2011, it's October of 2021. Litecoin has actually been out for 10 years, a decade. So this is not a new cryptocurrency. That's why people need to learn about the Litecoin a little bit. It's never going anywhere, just like Bitcoin. And you heard it was created. So let's go ahead and jump back over. And the Litecoin network went live 5 days later, October 13th in 2011. Since then, it has exploded in both the usage and acceptance among merchants and is counted among 10,000 cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's the 10th largest in the world right now. The cryptocurrency was created by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee who intended Litecoin to be a light version of Bitcoin. So again, it was supposed to be a light version of Bitcoin, and then it features many of the same properties of Bitcoin. Now, what makes Litecoin unique? There you go. Litecoin is the second most popular cryptocurrency. I would think Bitcoin Cash, but I guess Litecoin is the second most popular. We just read it. The main benefits come from the speed and the cost of the effectiveness of the Litecoin transactions and are typically confirmed in just minutes. Let's go ahead and head over to Litecoin's website. So over here, Litecoin's website, it's litecoin.org, the cryptocurrency for payments based on blockchain technology. So scrolling here, it says, what is Litecoin? Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant near zero cost payments. So we kind of just read that a little bit. It talks about the community of the Litecoin. It talks about the resources, which are really nice. Talks about the open source software. So again, Litecoin's been around for 10 years. This is our first time that we're talking about it on the channel. We're actually going to start talking about Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash about every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, we're going to weave in some videos because it's very, very important. This is an important crypto. It's on blockchain. You know, you can also do mining rewards. Minings are currently rewarding at a 12.5 new Litecoin per block, which is kind of interesting. So if you're into mining, you can mine the Litecoin. There's different downloads that you can check out right here. Taking a look up here, got a couple foundations. The Litecoin Foundation giveaway. It's doing its 10th annual. You know, so there's kind of different things that are going on here. The Bootstrap Litecoin community crowd system. So, you know, all kinds of neat things going on with the Litecoin. We're over here at the Litecoin Foundation. You know, it says Litecoin shop. There's all kinds of different things that you can get. Kind of an interesting thing here. I mean, take a look at this. It's been around for 10 years. They got hoodies that you can buy. You can buy a glass, you know, a little coffee cup, you know, for $17 for the Litecoin. You know, they're really celebrating the foundation. Again, this cryptocurrency, 10 years of the Litecoin, bringing it to you here from Frank's Crypto Corner. You got books you can buy, bags, clothing, different storages, phone cases. Let's take a look at the phone case. You know, if you want a little Litecoin phone case, you can get it. It's 20 bucks. Headwear. Heading over here to Robinhood to do a little bit of Litecoin here and dig into this. So what is Litecoin traded at right now? $190. What was it traded at about 3 months ago? 3 months ago, this coin was at $107. 107, 190. I mean, that's $87. That's about an 80% increase in the last 90 days. Now, again, the Robinhood charts are so good because you can kind of follow it and see where it's going. What was it doing a month ago? You can do the chart. What was it doing a week ago? So again, Litecoin right now is being traded at $190, which is real good. We know it's up about 9% in the last 7 days. And while we're here, we got to do Bitcoin. Bitcoin's traded at 62,000 right now. What was Bitcoin 3 months ago, everybody? That's right, 29,000. Can you believe that? July 20th, Bitcoin. And again, use these charts, everybody. These charts are very easy and they help you a lot. What was Bitcoin 5 years ago? Bitcoin 5 years ago, 2018, was $8,200. How would you like to get a Bitcoin for $8,200? And now it's worth $62,000. So with that, thanks for tuning in on this episode, talking a little bit about Litecoin. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we're bringing around 3 or 4. Every once in a while, we bring you a bonus video. This is one of those bonus videos. We bring it to you around 6 or 7 o'clock at night. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see everybody tomorrow at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time.